Just want to go over here to your image, go to image size, and you would change this to 13. Put your 19 right there and click OK. This is for your image size. And you could change your resolution if you need to. And then you go back to image, go to the canvas size, make sure that that says 13 by 19. Also, what you want to do when you get ready to print, you go into your print settings, click your print settings, make sure that this says your document size. If you want it 13 by 19, then you need to go to your Super B 13 by 19 and you click OK. That's how you size it, so when you get ready to print, it's going to show up in the correct size. I hope this video helps.